Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to increase the sound or volume in your Amazon Prime Video. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and in this video, we're only gonna focus on how to increase the sound. Let's simply say I want to play this video right here. I'm just gonna click on this play button. And as you can see, the video is currently being played. Right here, I just want to increase the volume. Right here in the top, next to the settings, you will see a volume icon. Simply click on it. And as you can see, this slider right here is the volume. If you drag it down to the very bottom, that means you have muted. Simply slide up and the volume will gradually increase. Another way to increase the volume is simply press the upward arrow or downward arrow in your keyboard. That way you can also increase the volume as well. There are other features like changing the video quality, subtitles and audio, but we only focused on the audio section. Well guys, that's about it. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.